Hi legends, is this breakout to the upside real? Today we'll go through why and how I took these two trades on 𝗞𝗍 and 𝗏𝗏. From a 𝗞𝗍 perspective, I shorted here to the downside, took profits here by the low, and then I entered a 𝗏𝗏 trade playing a long here to the upside, and now it's just rampaging here. I'll also be going through a key level that I'm potentially expecting a rejection. Let's see how it plays out. Let's go analyze the price of Bitcoin. Remember, my three favorite exchanges that I love to trade on and where I took these trades: 𝗏𝗏, up to $80,000 bonus when you sign up with the link down in the description. Also, no KYC required. Down in the description, 3 of the exchanges that I use to do my daily trading. Go sign up, come trade with me. Right, legends, let's analyze the price of Bitcoin here together. And as you can see, a nice little push here to the upside. Yesterday, I also explained during my live stream 2 different strategies that I used for the short here to the downside and a different strategy that I used to play the long here on 𝗏𝗏 to the upside. And what I basically did is, from a fib extension perspective, I took a fib from the low to the high over here, to the low over here. You go, you reverse it, and you can see that the 1.618 was hit to perfection. Okay, and when we got the acceptance back below the level, that is where I entered the short here on 𝗞𝗍, and I took profits here by these lows because it just looked like it was really struggling to break the support level down here. And then when I saw the price action over here, I then applied a different trading strategy. And let's just take this all out the way from a long perspective, take the fib out the way, remove the screenshots. What I then did on 𝗏𝗏 is that I played a swing failure pattern. And as you can see over here, what I was waiting for is that I saw we claimed this low over here and we got acceptance back above. This is where I entered, I protected myself, and I took profits round about this area over here according to the trading plan that I had in mind. But 2 trades playing out to success from the down and to the upside. Where can the price of Bitcoin now go? What I'm looking at right now, legends, is when I go here onto the CVD, I can see that we've made some aggressive bullish CVD, where if you look at this pivot where yellow is and where we made the recent higher low over here, you can see that we've made aggressive bullish CVD, of which the target is this high over here. So there's definitely some steam to go and claim this target. If we get a successful breakout here to the upside, let me share with you some of the key levels that I'm watching where we could see a possible rejection. Okay, legends, back here on the price of Bitcoin. And what I'm kind of seeing over here is this is not a nice impulsive structure, but nonetheless, respect the pump and respect the trend. Can we reject? And you can see where we got rejection now is here close to that symmetrical triangle that we've been watching for so long. As you can see, will this be the breakout or just another tap of the trend for momentum here back to the downside? If we successfully break this trend with high volume, we do have an opportunity to go and tap this untapped daily level at $71,466. What I also like about this level over here, if we do find the strength to move up here, successfully retest the trend for momentum here to the upside, is that when I zoom back into the smaller time frame, let's go back onto the 15-minute, just looking at the structure over here, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave here to the upside, and I go take a fib extension from the high to the low, I drag it across, I reverse it, you will then see that the 1.618 level aligns perfectly with the daily level over here, which can also be a 5th wave target here to the upside. And that is only if we do get a successful breakout above this trend. 5th wave targets are also in between the 1.236 and the 1.382. So there's also that possibility where you break out, you fail to claim the daily level only to find acceptance back below the trend, and then we start ranging inside of this level once again. Okay, if we have a nice momentum here to the upside, breaking out, retesting the trend line for potential support, I will be watching this daily level very closely, as this could then be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the end of this impulsive structure, perhaps an A, B, C, and then we continue the momentum here to the upside. From a bearish perspective or from a short perspective, legends, there's also still the possibility that this is the end of the structure over here. Okay, and this could be the 5th wave or the end of a corrective structure over here. What I will be looking for over here is if price finds the strength and it rejects in this area and we get acceptance back below this low over here, where we start falling down and we get acceptance back below this low, there's a high chance that we could come and claim these lows once again. For bullish momentum to remain here to the upside, and let me just clean this up here. From a larger time frame perspective, on the 1 hour time frame, I am still looking at this as a potential A, B, C, D, E. Then we have the breakout here to the upside. But yes, we can definitely break out from where we are right now. I will be honest, it doesn't feel right considering how far the triangle still extends to the left. And usually from a pattern perspective, the rules state that only when you are 75% into the pattern do you experience either the true breakout to the upside or to the downside. So will this be a little fake out here to the upside, and then we get acceptance back inside of this triangle? Another potential level that I'll be watching over here, legends, is taking the scribble out the way. When I take a fib, a normal fib here from the high to the lowest point of this range over here, you can see that the 0.88 also aligns perfectly with the daily level over here, together with the 1.618. So high levels of resistance over here. Okay, so what I will definitely be looking at is also we have a 786 level in between, just in between the 1.236 and the 1.382. So there's definitely a chance that you swing failure from this high over here, you find momentum here to the upside, you get a rejection back below this high over here for a better entry and a scalp here to the downside. Question is, are we going to bounce on the trend and find continuation back to the upside, or are we going to lose this high over here, come all the way back inside of this range, claiming the lows and even a little bit lower? For bullish momentum and the structure to stay intact, to still expect that explosive move here to the upside, I really don't want to see us take this low over here. This low needs to stay protected. As soon as we fail to break out here successfully and we find acceptance back to the bottom of this triangle, claiming this low, the probabilities for bearish momentum to the downside drastically starts increasing. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to know exactly how to start trading on one of my favorite exchanges, 𝗬𝗏𝗀, go check out this video right now. Until the next one, cheers for now.